I'm Scotty. I've been drumming for about 35 years and I also stream live on social media. I use the Collision 7ARs and I absolutely love the arrow, by the way. Three things that I absolutely love about Collision drumsticks are the balance between each stick. Now I think they spend a lot of time weighing up these. They are absolutely identical as well, which is really helpful. Also, it's got the extra reach as well. It's about a couple of inches, but when you're trying to play fast and trying to reach certain things, then it definitely makes a difference. And also the power that you get from the speed of the end of the stick also makes a difference if you're playing acoustic kits. I love the Collision Drumstick community as well. They have so many drummers, especially on Facebook, Instagram and other platforms. But it's great to speak to different drummers, find out about how they drum, what sticks they like, talking about all different kind of things, which is really nice as well. So that's a big thing. And also I'm hoping Collision Drumsticks as well will help me on my journey for helping people with mental health problems as well. Suffering with ADHD like I do focus a lot on my live streams to make sure that we're looking after people, helping people all across the world. Hoping Collision can help me grow that side of the community as well, because I really do think that it's important, especially in today's society, that we focus on helping teenagers, young adults, and making sure that they're okay getting through life, because it is so difficult at the moment, and that's something that I'm really focusing on. I'm now going to play Duality for you. Hope you like it.
It's the only thing that slowly stops the ache, but it's made of all the things I have to take.